Weather Authority.
Welcome back. Well, we are clear across the bluegrass early this morning on our live Viper HD. So starting off the day very nice. It's just a little muggy as soon as you step outside. Temperatures are into the 60s and 70s, and we're going to heat up a good 20 degrees by the afternoon with highs into the mid 90s. And with that, we have heat advisories all across eastern Kentucky. And we're one of about 16 states now that have some form of heat advisory or excessive heat warnings. So again, we are going to be dealing with that hot and humid conditions throughout the afternoon and evening. And if you can believe it, all across the East Coast yesterday, they beat about 30 record high temperatures that had been records for 100+ years. So again, very warm air mass all across the East Coast. We're at 69 degrees here in Lexington. Those dew points up above 60 degrees, so anything above that makes it feel a little uncomfortable. The relative humidity will kind of get up there as we head into the afternoon and evening. You will notice the humidity a little bit more today than yesterday, and we'll add an additional little more humidity for your Thursday. We're at 71 degrees in Nicholasville, 65 in Richmond, 66 for you all in Danville. Southern and eastern Kentucky, those temperatures pretty much the same, mid to upper 60s. So a little bit of a warm start, but what a scorcher we have up in the northeast. Still at 82 in Washington, D.C. Really haven't cooled down much at all. 85 in Philly, and we're into the 80s in New York. And it's all thanks to this huge area of high pressure that is keeping everyone dry. You get those clockwise winds around the high, so winds all across the East Coast are coming out of the south and not allowing any clouds to develop. What high pressure does is suppresses cloud cover. You have sinking air, and as it suppresses the cloud cover, also we're dealing with smog and air quality issues all across the East Coast, because with that air, that kind of cap on top of all that hot and humid air, again, not allowing much in the form of winds to kind of mix up the atmosphere. So definitely an air quality alert all across the East Coast. Now for us, not so much, because again, we aren't going to be as hot as people up in the northeast, but we will start to see a little bit of a break. The jet stream that's still out to our west, this is what drives all the weather, and it will start to make a little bit of a dip as we head through Thursday and into Friday and allow a cold front to move through, which will cool our temperatures down and also bring us that chance of showers and storms to kind of wash out this heat and humidity. We're at 94 degrees today, so not really getting a break today or tomorrow. Temperatures will drop down to around 70 degrees, very muggy, and those winds still the east tonight, but turning out the southwest tomorrow, warming us up another degree or two with a high of 95. Here's a quick look at your 36 Storm Team 7-day forecast. Those temperatures will slightly cool down on Friday and Saturday with the chance of showers and storms, about a 40% chance, and then we'll have another storm system move through next Monday and Tuesday.
Thank you, Mary. Did you figure out the question of the day? Here's our question one more time.
SpongeBob SquarePants is pictured on the world's largest one of these. What is it? Rachel from Facebook thought it was a cartoon. Kevin said pineapple. And Todd said air balloon.
We got water tower from Connie in Lexington. That's a good guess. Balloon from Jenny in Winchester.